Hi guys, in front of me is REALME GT NEO 3T, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System Settings, and now go to Backup and Reset. Here under Google Backup, just activate Backup My Data, and now it's time to add your backup account. Obviously, if you are already logged in with your backup account, it will be uploaded here immediately. But as you can see, I do not have my account added, so let's do it right now. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to provide details. And log in. Let me enter my email. And tap on Next then. Okay, I guess it's without S over here. And now let me enter password of the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on Next, and now it's time to decide if this device is yours or your kiddos. Let me tap on Next then. Now read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy, and then click on I agree. And now just click on Turn On to activate your backup. And as you can see, it has been done, so congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.